Hey everyone, it's Dr. Alan Bauman from Bauman Medical Hair Transplant and Hair Loss Treatment Center right here in Boca Raton, Florida. And exosome therapy is the latest and greatest stem cell type therapy that we use for hair regrowth and for tissue regeneration repair for recovery after hair transplantation. Today I'm going to take you behind the scenes. You're going to see exosome therapy applied with TED, transepidermal delivery. We're going to walk you through Brian's procedure and you'll see everything from start to finish. Today, Brian has taken a proactive step in his hair restoration journey with one of the most advanced treatments available, exosome therapy for hair growth. At Bauman Medical, we focus on creating a healthy environment for hair growth. Brian is treated with low-level laser light therapy, which helps stimulate the scalp and prime the hair follicles for the upcoming procedure. Laser therapy increases blood flow and prepares the scalp for a more effective exosome absorption. Exosomes are sent to us from an FDA-registered facility and are cryopreserved, kept cold in storage at -80°C until they're ready to use. During this treatment, literally hundreds of billions of exosomes will be applied to the scalp. Now it's time for the main event, exosome therapy applied using TED, our advanced transepidermal delivery system. This ultrasound technology, known as sonophoresis, uses painless sound waves to open up pathways through the skin, allowing the exosomes to penetrate deep into the scalp, targeting weakened hair follicles directly. There's no needles, no injections, and zero pain.
I'm here today back at Bauman Medical to get my TED with Juvexo Exosomes procedure. This is a follow-up after my hair transplant, so I had my expectations of what I was told the treatment would be like, but it really surpassed that. It was, first of all, no pain, extremely soothing, took only about 20 minutes, and when you compare it with some of the other alternative treatments, it's really the least invasive, and I'm very excited to see the outcome of the TED with Juvexo Exosomes.
If you'd like to learn more about exosome therapy as a standalone treatment or to supercharge your healing and hair growth after hair transplantation, click the links below. We look forward to helping you.